back, guys. So, as you guys see from the title, you can probably see it in the. Let me get the setup over here. You can probably see it in the picture down here. Got the new Xbox headset in, the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2. So I figured take you guys along with me while we get this thing out of the box and throw it on and see what it sounds like in the game. Last night was a complete fail on the stream. I couldn't get my stream running last night. Streamlabs was being super weird. And then this morning, obviously I was still troubleshooting it, so I missed this morning's stream. So I apologize about that. But just in time to get this new headset, so boom. Rocking the karambit to get it open. So let's see. Let me look at it first. Damn. They've stepped up the game in the packaging department lately. Right? Check this out. It's a door. Oop. Wham. Oh, and they fell right out. That didn't work. Alright. So there's the headset, chargers. Let's see, we got a booklet right here. You gotta figure out what's in that. Boom. These things are thick. These are some thick ass boys. I don't know if y'all see that. But those are those is fat. Here's the old ones. I believe I don't remember the model on these ones, but these are the ones I was using before. And let's get a look at them down here. And then I'll put them up here. Boom. So, let's see. Let's throw the old ones on. Right. I'm not gonna lie. I've had these for a few years. These things are actually pretty good. Yeah, these things are nice. So let's see. They still have the flip mic on the old ones, right? Here's the new. Oh snap! Check this out. The mic is like recessed into the headset. You can see on the old one, right? The old one, the mic is external right here. Boom. The new one, it's right here, which is kind of cool. Boom. That's interesting. Oh, and it like clicks. Interesting. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the chat, guys. Yeah, so check that out, though. I mean, that's still blowing my mind that the headset's inside like that, or the microphone. All right, so on the bottom we got volume. It looks like party, probably party chat, volume, mode, power, Bluetooth. That's right, because these ones, they connect to the game and to the Bluetooth. Yeah, man, I appreciate that. I do a lot of I send these clips to YouTube too, so I try to keep it going. Because it makes for a good YouTube video too. Because I mean, it's an unboxing, But yeah, let me put these on for the first time. Let's see how these. Nope, they're too small. Let's big and big. Oh shit, son. Okay, let me tell you. First off, they're definitely better at noise canceling. I'm probably talking louder now. They're definitely better at noise canceling. Like as soon as I put them on, I couldn't hear. I couldn't hear as much of the outside noise. Way more comfortable. Like it's crazy how much more comfortable these are than the old ones. And then also for people that wear like I know people wear like gaming glasses or just wear glasses in general, they have the recessed right here. It's not a cutout, but you can feel that there's a cutout right here that allows your glasses to go through. That's kind of cool. So yeah, I guess man, there's only one thing left to do. Ah, actually, let's check out what was in here. let's see. Nothing really, nothing important. Oh, a sticker. That's kind of important. There we go. You can't throw away the sticker, right? I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put that. Probably on my laptop somewhere. But yeah, just the registration stuff, quick start guide. You know, if I'm not mistaken, these new ones, you have to, yeah, you have to connect them to your computer and update them. So, what I might do, what I might do, yeah, man, I got this. What is it? The Turtle Beach 700 Stealth 700s. Definitely, it's definitely an upgrade, man. It's a huge upgrade. So, but I wanted to jump straight into it. However, like I was saying, it looks like I need to do the software for it. So I might do that first. And then what I'll do is hop back on once the update's done, and we'll start doing we'll talk a little bit about how much better it got. Let me see if I can. You know what? I might actually be able. No, you know what? I don't know if I can do it while I'm live because my computer just can't handle it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm working on the upgrade. But it shouldn't take super long. So yeah, I'll be back in about 5 to 10 minutes. Thanks everybody for tuning in. If you guys want to get one good last look, here's the better camera at that headset. Right. Obviously, my favorite part is the microphone is internal. That's pretty freaking cool. So, yeah, I'll be back in about 10 minutes. We'll be in game and we'll talk a little bit about how much better it sounds, and we'll see the different modes and stuff that it has. But appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll be right back.